In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo with layer in Photopea. By the end, you'll be comfortable bringing a photo into Photopea, placing another image on top as a new layer, and arranging which one appears in front, all right in your web browser. First, open Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a free, browser-based editor that works a lot like professional desktop tools, but there's nothing to install. When the workspace loads, you'll see a large canvas area in the center, and on the right, the Layers panel. That Layers panel is where we'll control which image is on top or underneath. If your screen looks different, that's okay. Just make sure the Layers panel is visible on the right side. Next, click Open from Computer. This lets you choose the main image or document you want to work with from your device. You can select a JPG, PNG, or even a layered PSD. Once it opens, you'll see your photo on the canvas and a single layer listed in the Layers panel. If the image appears small or large, don't worry about scaling yet. We'll handle placement when we bring in the second photo. A quick tip: if you're working with high-resolution files, give your browser a moment to load them fully before moving on. Now click Open in place. In Photopea, this command places another image right into your current document as a new layer. Choose the photo you want to add. It will appear with transform handles around it, ready to be positioned. Drag from the corners to resize. Hold Shift while dragging if you want to keep the original proportions. You can click and drag inside the box to move the image into place. When it looks good, press Enter or click the check mark at the top to confirm. If you change your mind, press Escape to cancel and try again. The key benefit of Open in Place is that it automatically creates a separate layer, so you can edit or reposition it later without affecting the original image. You can now drag the layer up or down in the Layers panel to control what appears in front and what sits behind. The layer at the top is visible above the ones beneath it. Simply click the layer you want to move and drag it above or below the other layer. If you're unsure which is which, toggle the eye icon to quickly check visibility. For tidy projects, consider renaming layers so you always know which photo you're moving. That's it. Open Photopea, open your base image, place a second photo, and reorder the layers to control the front and back. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!